Hello and welcome back to Adventures with Piccadilly and what has become one of my absolute favorite parts of the week with you guys, unboxing our Farm Fresh Carolinas farm box. Let's get into it. Today we have something green. Looks like kale. It is, I obviously don't know my greens very well, collard greens. Hopefully Piccadilly knows what to do with those because I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea. I make a very terrible Southern girl because I don't know what to do with collard greens. Yummy green grapes. These I know what to do with. Pop them straight in my mouth. And some green leaf lettuce. Super excited about this. I was about to actually go make myself a wrap and I didn't have any lettuce because the stuff we grow I ate all yesterday. Pears. So that will be going on my lunch as soon as this video is over. Mushrooms. Love it. We eat the heck out of some mushrooms in this house. Some more lettuce. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Apples. And pears. I love that they just include these like quick grab and go fruits. They're fantastic for us, especially for the kids. We put them in that middle drawer that the kids can reach and they just grab a snack whenever they want. Way better than grabbing like, you know, chips or whatever. Carrots, lots and lots of carrots, which is always good. They always send a ton of carrots because we need a ton of carrots when we make carrots. Onions, another fantastic staple in our house. We eat onions literally every time we cook. I can't think of anything that we cook that doesn't have onions in it, so super glad. And then some zucchini. Now I learned something this week. When they use the plastic bags, it's actually best to keep the produce in that plastic bag because it will do better in the fridge and keep it lasting longer. It's not just like waste or anything, so they'll use the cloth bags when it doesn't need it, but the items that they send in the plastic bags should stay in those bags until you use them, which I think is great. They take the thought and stress out of preserving your food. Take a last look. Thank you for joining us on Adventures with Piccadilly, and as always, thank you Farm Fresh Carolinas for our beautiful selection of produce.